You're watching Vocabulary for Fluency. Welcome to my channel. I am Ogaide Faith Iripia. Welcome back, brilliant minds. This is Vocabulary for Fluency, your gateway to mastering English, one word at a time. It's time for our wow word of the week. This week's word is everywhere, literally. Let's explore the world of ubiquitous. 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 What does ubiquitous mean? As an adjective, it describes a noun and means to be present, appearing, or found everywhere. Its origin from Latin, ubique, ubique, meaning everywhere, as air. For a deeper dive into how words like this are built, their prefixes, roots, and suffixes, check out my full episode on morphology. The link is in the description. Alright, its synonyms include omnipresent, ever-present, pervasive, universal, common, and common or garden. Following these are its antonyms: rare, scarce, uncommon, infrequent. Vocabulary in context. Smartphones are ubiquitous in modern society. That's true. The brand's logo is ubiquitous on buses, billboards, and even coffee cups. Plastic pollution has become a ubiquitous problem across the globe. Tying it to our theme, the power of presence. To be ubiquitous is to be seen, felt, or experienced everywhere. In today's world, ideas, trends, and technologies spread fast. Think of social media, fast fashion, or even slang. Ubiquitous gives them power. But here's the twist. You can be ubiquitous too. When your voice, values, or your work shows up consistently, you become unforgettable. Fun fact, ubiquitous versus popular, and the analogy. Not everything popular is ubiquitous. A song might be popular in your country, but it's only ubiquitous if it's playing in taxis, malls, gyms, and TikToks everywhere. Ubiquity is about reach. It's not just known, it's inescapable. And just as God's Spirit is truly ubiquitous, nowhere, so are some man-made things. The busy roads are not only visible in Abuja, they are ubiquitous across Nigeria. Now, this doesn't mean busy roads are popular, but they are literally everywhere across the globe. Plus, never say an ubiquitous. Say a ubiquitous. British English, ubiquitous. American English, stress on the second syllable, ubiquitous. With that, today's challenge. 1. What's something that feels ubiquitous in your life right now? Use ubiquitous in a sentence about your world. Example, Afrobeat has become a ubiquitous sound in global music. Ubiquitous isn't just a word, it's a signal of impact. So whether it's your message, your mindset, or your mission, show up. Yes, stand out and stay visible. Cheers, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe and leave your take in the comments. This has been Vocabulary for Fluency. I remain your host, Ogga Ide Faith Iripia. Keep your words rich. I mean, your presence strong and your influence ubiquitous. Until next time, keep thriving.